I've always been a skinny kid with bad appetite in the morning, but there are actually two meals that I could eat in the morning that make me gain weight. The first one is this high protein skyr breakfast. You start off with adding 300 grams of high protein skyr, and you add some chia seeds, some fruit of choice. I always use strawberries or blueberries, a nut mix, and a whole banana. I also usually drink a glass of milk with this, and then you have a very good 900 calories, 50 grams of protein breakfast right here. The next one is an omelette and 2 pieces of toasted bread with cheese. You need salami, 4 eggs, um, some spices, bread, cheese. You cut your salami, put your 4 eggs in a cup, mix those eggs together. Once you're done, you can add those eggs into a pan, add the salami, and you let that bake for a while. Then you toast your bread, add some cheese. Your egg will be done by now. You flip your egg. I usually add some spices, and that's your meal right there. It's also very easy to make both of them. This meal also has 900 calories, 50 grams of protein.